Dear students, we are in JE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of differentiation. Okay, today we are going to solve 6 questions from question number 25 to 30. Let us see. This question is asked in 2019. If e power y plus xy is equal to e, the ordered pair dy by dx d square y by dx square is what? At x is equal to 0. Okay. This answer should come. Not that much tough. Clearly they are mentioning dy by dx and d square y. First let us find dy by dx and d square y. See, they have given in equation form. Let us try to solve dy with respect to dx only we will do. Why? Because see, with respect to dx we are seeing. With respect to dx means what will happen? D by dx of e by y, e by y, again d by dx of y, dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x1 plus x into dy by dx. D by dx of e is constant 0. Okay? Okay. This is one equation. Okay, we will submit y because x is equal to 0, we have to submit afterwards. Now once again you do. Why? Because d square y by dx square also you have to get. Okay? See now dy by dx into d by dx of ey. Again e power y into dy by dx. Okay? Again with e power y into plus dy by dx differentiation d square y by dx square. Okay? This is over u into v. This is simply dy by dx. Okay? Here also see v into dy by dx 1 plus u into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. See, this I want to take common or something like. Why? Because see, I am going to take common. Why? Because see, d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square I want to take common. If I take d square y by dx square e power y plus x. Okay? E power y plus x. Over? Yes, over. Now remaining what all are there? I want to send that side. See, 2 times of dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, minus 2 times of dy by dx. Okay? It goes that side minus. These are all at one side. These two over. Now this is there. See here dy by dx whole square is there, not d square y. This is function. Second order derivative. This is single order derivative square. But minus only. Minus e power y into dy by dx whole square. Okay? Or else I will take minus common. I will keep plus inside. Why I have done like this? Why? Because I want to keep dy by d square y by dx square at one go, and I am sending this also this side. Okay? Let me send this also. Now finally I want to write d square y by dx square is equal to minus of 2 dy by dx plus e power y dy by dx whole square divided by e power y plus x. Okay? This you take as equation number 2. See, if you go, see, you have already found dy by dx. Dy by dx also I can take common. Let me take dy by dx common before making any equation. See, dy by dx, if I take common, x plus e power y, okay, is equal to minus y. Okay, then what will happen dy by dx? I will write here. dy by dx is equal to minus y by x plus e power y. Okay, this you take as equation number 1. Now you compare this equation number 1 and 2. What I want to say, go back. They are asking x is at 0. X you keep 0. This equation, first you see what will happen this equation. At x is equal to 0, e power y plus 0 is equal to e. That means e power y is equal to e. That means y is equal to 1. This is very important. Okay? At x is equal to 0, 0 into something is 0. E power y is equal to e. That means e power y 1 is equal to y. If y is equal to 1, come back here. dy by dx. I want to write dy by dx next. If at all y is equal to 1, then you submit here dy by dx. dy by dx. See, we are taking y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. Or else I will write here. At x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx minus 1 by e power 1. E, that's all. Why? Because x is 0, y is 1. Minus 1 by e. Okay, minus 1 by e dy by dx. This you box. Okay. Now come back. You go for second. But because the dy by dx minus 1 by e already has come here. dy by dx minus 1 by e. 50% we have got answer. Now go for d square y by dx square also. Carefully how to apply here. Why? Because see, let me write. D square y by dx square is equal to minus of 2 into dy by dx value, this you keep. Already we have got minus 1 by e. Okay, plus e power y means e power 1 e into dy by dx whole square 1 by e square whole square again. No, dy by dx whole square, that's all. Okay, divided by also is there. E power y, e power 1 plus 0 e. Okay, now see here 1 e going to get cancelled out. 1 by e. Here minus 2 by e. Minus of minus 2 by e plus 1 by e by e. That means see minus 1 by e. Minus 1 by e outside minus. See minus is there outside and minus 2 plus 1 minus plus 1 by e square. Okay, e is there. Actually this e multiplication. That means see plus 1 by e square will be your d square. Plus 1 by e square. Okay. Now let us go for next question.